Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Today I'm going to show you Captain America in Blu-ray 3D. Here we have a 3D combo, Blu-ray 3D, regular Blu-ray, and DVD with digital copy. Has a really nice slipcover. Let's remove here with the same artwork, but the slipcover, it's really nice because it has the words Captain America all embossed, limited 3D edition as well, and the shield, it's really nicely embossed. The back, we have the exact same artwork. So let's open here so I can show you the design and the artwork. First of all, this is the code for your digital copy. And on the other side we have a poster from Captain America, the first Avenger. So here we have the regular Blu-ray. This is the Blu-ray 3D. And this is the DVD and digital copy together. Both discs, the Blu-ray 3D and the regular Blu-ray, are region free, and there's almost an hour of special features, all in 1080p high definition. It comes with English, DTS HD Master Audio 7.1, as well as French, Spanish and Portuguese Dolby Digital 5.1. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, hope you liked it, and feel free to ask me any questions you might have. Also, click on the shield if you want to see the art of Captain America, the first Avenger book review. Thanks again and see you next time.
Let's go! I'm Captain America! I'm America's super soldier.